Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to bind Binance with Treasure NFT. First, connect Binance and Treasure by creating an API key, saving the secret securely, and enabling required permissions. Next, link your wallet address on Treasure and sign the ownership message prompt. Finally, confirm the bind by checking your Treasure collection and Binance activity logs for matching transaction hashes and successful status messages before proceeding. Start by linking your wallet to Binance and enabling any cross-chain transfers required with the correct bridge chosen for Treasure. Grant the necessary permissions on Treasure for NFT management and sign messages to prove ownership of the wallet address. Monitor network fees and pick a low-fee time window to perform actions, and always save transaction ID in case you need to contact support for troubleshooting later. After binding, verify the NFT shows up in your Treasure collection and is recorded in Binance activity logs with matching transaction ID. Keep private keys, recovery phrases, and API secrets offline, and never share them with anyone, even if prompted. Enable two-factor authentication on both platforms, set transaction alerts, and consider using a hardware wallet for larger holdings to reduce risk and catch unauthorized activity early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.